In 1947, a team at Bell Labs built something that looked like a tiny metal switch. It wasn't flashy. It wasn't famous. But it changed the world. That invention was the transistor. It replaced bulky vacuum tubes and became the foundation of all modern electronics. Without it, there would be no smartphones, no laptops, no internet. And yet, most people have never heard of it. But the transistor wasn't the only forgotten breakthrough. Over the decades, hidden in labs and military bunkers, engineers created technologies that would quietly reshape the future. Here are 5 forgotten inventions that changed everything. 1. The transistor. It's in your phone, your TV, your microwave. It powers every piece of modern tech. And yet, no one talks about it. The transistor made computing portable, affordable, and scalable. It shrunk machines from the size of rooms to the size of your pocket. This one invention started the digital age. 2. ARPANET. In 1969, the US government connected 4 computers across the country. It wasn't called the internet back then, it was called ARPANET. No Google, no social media. Just raw data traveling from one machine to another. But it worked. That tiny connection evolved into the internet we use every day. It didn't start in Silicon Valley. It started with scientists trying to build a better way to communicate. 3. The GUI, graphical user interface. In the 70s, computers were command line only. No icons, no mouse, just blinking green text. Then came the GUI, invented at Xerox PARC. Clickable windows, drag and drop files. The entire way we interact with technology was reinvented. Apple and Microsoft made billions using it. But Xerox? Barely remembered. They changed the way we use machines, and never got the credit. 4. GPS. It began as a Cold War tool. A satellite system designed to guide missiles. But GPS didn't stay classified for long. Soon, it was in cars. Then phones. Now? It tracks planes, ships, food delivery, and your morning jog. It's invisible, constant, and absolutely essential. Yet we never think about it, until it goes offline. 5. Lithium-ion battery. It's not glamorous. It's not loud. But it powers almost everything we touch. Developed in the 1980s, the lithium-ion battery made devices smaller, faster, and truly wireless. Sony commercialized it in the early 90s. Since then, it's fueled smartphones, laptops, drones, even electric cars. No battery revolution, no mobile revolution. These inventions didn't trend on Twitter. They didn't launch with product keynotes or commercials. But without them, none of today's tech giants would exist. What changed the world wasn't always the most popular idea. It was the smartest, the quietest, the one that solved a problem no one else noticed. So next time you check your GPS, charge your phone, or open an app, remember, the future was built by people you've never heard of, using inventions we've all forgotten. In tech, legacy isn't about fame. It's about impact.